Let's go to the fridge here. What do we got? Oh, dip in the fridge? Hold up, what's up with that? What's up, OSTT? You know, something I wanted to touch on, I know people have talked about it in the forums before, is putting your dip in the fridge. 2 reasons for this. It helps it keep longer. I know my freshman year of college, my roommate went to a NASCAR race and came back with a lot of dip. So, you know, we had roughly like 6 or 7 logs of dip, and we had an extra fridge. Didn't have anything to do with it because we already had a big fridge. So we just threw a shit ton of dip in there. Helps keep it fresh. It also, dip fresh out of the fridge tastes better to me. It juices a little bit more. It packs a little bit better. So we got some Skoal vanilla here. We're gonna rock that. And this tin is full to the brim. Skoal. I mean, I love the value, but stop putting so much in there. That's ridiculous. How do I get these huge man claws in there? That's what cold dip does for you. See that? Gigantic pinch. What jug? So big, gotta use a hand a little bit to pack it down there, otherwise I can't talk. So, Corey talks about reusing dip. Tried it before. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of it at all. It sickens me, really. My philosophy on dip: if you throw one in, keep it long enough to where you juice it all out and it's done. You know, so no throwing in a lip for 10 minutes. You know, if you throw one in, keep it in for at least a half an hour. You know, so not a big fan of reusing dip. Corey, that's your thing, whatever. Ooh, throw some music on here. Oh, Tim McGraw, Last Dollar.
1, 2, 3, like a bird I sing, 'cause you've given me the most beautiful
Found an old school country playlist in my
so glad you're here today.
iTunes, so figure we'll rock that.
Go and fly away.
So head on over to the forums here, see what's up. Kick and win, roommate spilled your dip can, been there, done that.
My last dollar,
Or you should buy a mud jug. You don't have to turn in papers with
of the hell that I
dip spilled on it anymore.
But look at me still smiling, 'cause I'm wondering what I'll do. Since I
That's a bitch. And then you either gotta run home to fucking print something off again, or you gotta turn it in and maybe get marked off for having dip on it. So yeah.
how I know this is serious.
People talking about not wanting to reuse the same spinner.
Worry about things that I
Buy a mud jug, wash it out. Who cares? I mean, it literally takes 2 seconds.
hold me back.
Not hard. I don't understand why people still use bottles and sit there and dip the same bottle till it's full. That's pretty disgusting.
I'm so glad you're here today.
And not only is it disgusting, but when you do knock that shit over, it is fucking gross. Get it everywhere. Buy a mud jug. Can't spill this shit. Can't spill it.
And that's worth keeping me.
I've literally tried over about the last week. I cannot get it to spill.
I'm gonna tour from coast to coast. I'm leaving
jug. I don't go out and buy a Gatorade or something all the time. And I don't hoard bottles. I don't have them all over my car, save them anytime I buy a drink because you need a spitter. So buy a mud jug. It makes sense. You know, the $15 you spend on a black mud jug, you're gonna save pretty quick on all those $1.50, $2 Gatorades. Forums. A lot of talk about spitters. Corey put up a vid. Dip from the room. We're still version 22. Benny's back. Life is good. We're now on page 40. So I will say it's moved pretty quick today. Went to class, came back, and a whole bunch of shit was on there that wasn't on there before. So, go ahead and mute this iTunes here. I got a nice little clip from Joe Dirt for your amusement.
You won the battle.
Yeah!
But I won the war. If you're covered in oil, don't stand next to a fire. Now that's day one stuff. Keep that skull, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
That's right. Keep that skull, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So, let's see. We also talked about high school football. Corey touched on that in his vid. High school football's back. I went to go see my former high school's first game a couple weeks ago. Pretty impressed. They scored like 50 points by halftime. Ended up winning like 59-7. So that's pretty amazing. And then got their ass kicked the next week. So, what the fuck? So, you know, that's how that goes. But I just want to say, keep that skull, baby, and keep that skull in that fridge. It'll taste better. It'll last longer. Big Jeff, OSTT, out of here.